Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. Alright, let's get straight into the video. First up, there's online purchase, so you can access your Gemini account online and then click on trade or buy sell to access the trading dashboard. Now you want to choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. You could enter that in US dollars or in Bitcoin, and then just review the transaction details, including of course the price, the fees, and total cost. And once that is done, just confirm the purchase. Now for mobile app purchase, what you want to do is to access the Gemini app on your mobile device and just tap the trade button to access the trading dashboard. Now you can choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Next, just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, either in US dollars or in Bitcoin, and then just review the transaction details, including the price, the fees, and total cost, and confirm the purchase. Now for our payment methods, there are a couple of methods that you can use to make payments. First up is bank transfer. So link your bank account to Gemini and transfer funds to buy Bitcoin. There's also wire transfer, so you can use a wire transfer to deposit funds into your Gemini accounts. There's also debit cards, so you can use a debit card to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.